Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a 2006 Dodge Ram SLT Bighorn, 4-wheel drive, 5.7 Hemi. Get the towing package. Got a nice toolbox, sprayed in bed liner. Got some nice Toyo tires with some aluminum wheels, running boards. Got tinted windows, vent shades. Got new headlights, because as you know, the older ones get all yellow and nasty. All clear, new lights, fog lights. Got the chrome grille. This was a local trade-in. Does have keyless remote entry. Got power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors, power seat. Seat's in pretty good shape. There's a couple spots on it, but no tears. Overall for 06, pretty good condition. Got clean carpets and new floor mats. It's only got 139,331 miles. Got your cruise control. It's got AM, FM, CD. Looks like it's got satellite. Just gotta get a subscription. Auxiliary input. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake controller. It had a CB in here or a radio. So that's there, and the hookups for the antenna and the powers in the center here. Got a nice cup holder, adjustable. Got a power outlet. Storage here, another power outlet. So you can have 6 people, 3 in the front, 3 in the back. I do have the extra key, owner's manual. It's got the automatic dimming rearview mirror, outside temperature compass, trip computer, distance to empty. Got a power moonroof. Whoop. There we go. Nice truck. It's a quad cab, so you got some room back here. Fold up storage on both sides, they raise up. I've got some floor mats coming for the back. It's got sliding rear glass. These are 20s. Got good tires. Alright, there is a little cosmetic issue here. Looks like the clear is coming off on this side. I mean, the paint's still there, but the clear is coming off. Other than that, the body's in pretty good shape. Comes with a total of 3 keys. It's unusual in the book. Got the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Plenty of power, reliable. Looks like a fairly new battery. Just had it serviced. This truck will come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty on the engine, transmission, internal lubricated items. This will make someone a great first vehicle at an affordable price. To see if this Ram's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.